What's going on, dear friends? Today is snowy in Kyrgyzstan. That's why we decided to go outside and show you the beauty of snowy Kyrgyzstan. Yeah, we decided to go outside. This is Ala-Archha resort, such a great area to actually enjoy Kyrgyzstan. This area is located very close to the capital Bishkek, just 30 minutes of traveling here. And yeah, you see the beauty of the whole nature of Bishkek. Today is an exciting day. I'm excited to show you everything we got in Kyrgyzstan. Are you ready? Let's go! The beauty of this place is astounding. It's so breathtaking. I mean, like, the snow is everywhere, so many mountains, and you have seen the trees. You've seen all of it. And if you liked it, please comment below under this video. What do you think about Ala-Archha? By the way, this place is a touristic attraction. It attracts thousands of tourists every year. Why? Because people love to come here to do expeditions. There are so many peaks over there. If you go there, there are so many peaks to conquer, to actually go through. So if you love this kind of activities, please come here, enjoy. And for those people who actually notice my hat, this beautiful hat is called Kalpak, and the design of it is actually was inspired by these beautiful mountains. Let me remind you, Kyrgyzstan is a mountainous country. 93% of Kyrgyz land is actually covered by mountains. And yeah, our ancestors were inspired by the design of that look. And yeah, they brought it to this hat. And more about this hat is made out of a special material called felt, natural felt that comes from the sheep wool. Yeah, and it has a lot of qualities. For example, it is very cool during the hot days. It is very warm during the cold days. And there's so many cool things that were designed by Kyrgyz people. One of the things is actually located over there, and I'm so excited and thrilled to show you that. Please come with me. Ladies and gentlemen, this is yurt. I'm presenting you another creation of Kyrgyz nomads. This yurt was created long time ago and has been passing from generation to generation, right until 18th, 17th century, until we had industrialization. Before that, we were living with these houses. From one place to another place, we are bringing this mobile house. And this is a mobile house today because we just brought it here and actually spent 10 minutes making it, building it. And if you're interested how it's done, please spend a couple of minutes watching it. Dear friends, international tourists, you are all welcome to come to Ала-Арча and enjoy this time. Today I showed you a little bit of nature, you saw it by yourself and I think you liked it. I showed you a little bit of yurt, I showed you a little bit of my hat, I showed you a little bit of food and how we enjoy life in Kyrgyzstan. Come here and enjoy it by yourself. But for now, that's it. I'm kind of tired.